May isa pa akong pasyente sa Davao na kailangang maoperahan agad. Lumalala kasi ang problema sa binti ng asong si Remix. Si Doc Bayani, isang kaibigan at dati kong kasama sa clinic, ang doktor ni Remix.
Last year, between Christmas and New Year, the owner noticed she suddenly started limping. So she really couldn't walk.
So dalawang procedure na gagawin natin. One is the what we call the FHO or the femoral head ostectomy, kung saan itong na-dislocate na femoral head, puputulin namin. Pag pinutol natin yan, there's no more bone-to-bone rubbing. Kapag hindi agad na operahan, posibleng mapilay ito pagtanda. Yan, bumalik na siya. Yan, feel it. If you take an x-ray, pasok yan. Pero if you just nudge it like this, labas ulit. Labas na. Oras na para simulan ang operasyon. Just parallel to the femur, so you make an incision. Can you feel this one? Feel this one. It's the head.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna cut it. Capsule. Ilaw. Chisel, orthopedic chisel, and orthopedic hammer. Yung pressure na gagawin mo dito dapat calculated, ano? Kasi baka mamaya ma-fracture mo. Twist lang para ma-separate mo yung muscles. There you are. Very nice, huh? Yep, you can let go of it. Nakuha natin yung
Flush ng IV.
head part and then part of the neck of the femur. So pag nag-heal yan, wala nang bone-to-bone rubbing. Pagkatapos ng mahigit isang oras, natanggal namin ang parte ng buto na naging dahilan ng problema sa binti ni Remix. Tapos na, so bandaging na lang.
Per movie.